The latest Innovator3D IC 2604 release features a new utility for LVS and SVS comparison. This new capability is not meant to replace full verification level LVS. Instead, it provides intuitive, interactive graphical guidance early in the design cycle, allowing users to rapidly uncover and resolve fundamental LVS issues like missing pins, extra pins, and incorrect pin net connections easily. In this video, I will swap pins in SoC design to demo LVS issue and swap pins again in interposer to address the LVS incorrect. Then I will do an SVS comparison to show the netlist difference before and after pin swapping. To run LVS check, we will need to set up part stack configuration first. Let's put HBM and SoC on the top, then interposer, then BGA die. Then let's export the original CSV netlist for later SVS checking. Now active SoC part and select 2 pins, and then swap the 2 pins. In the console window, key in the command LVS check with -visualize option. A few seconds later, it will pop up a window to show the LVS results. Filter out the correct nets. You will see the 2 incorrect nets, which we swapped pins before. It will show a missing pin and an extra pin with incorrect net. We can also switch to the side view to examine the connection from different direction. Swap the corresponding pins in the interposer to address the LVS issue. Check the LVS again, and you can see the LVS is clean now. Finally, let's check the SVS netlist comparison before and after pin swapping. You can find both SoC and interposer have 1 missing and 1 extra pin. This is what we had changed to the netlist.